Car 1, 1952 Kaiser Deluxe, $1,000. This Kaiser Deluxe is a project in every sense. It's mostly complete thanks to parts salvaged from another car with extra trim stashed in the trunk. The engine turns over but doesn't start, and it's on a 6-volt system that likely needs a total rebuild. It hasn't seen the DMV since the 60s or 70s, so it's a ghost in the registry with no title, which means a hassle if you want it road legal. For a die-hard Kaiser fan with time, this could be worthwhile, but it's pretty much just yard art for most people. Car 2, 1961 Ford F100 Unibody, $750. This Ford F100 is a bit more promising, though still rough. It technically runs, moving up to 30 miles per hour with an external fuel tank and some recent repairs, new carb, fuel pump, brake cylinders. It's got a rare GM hydromatic transmission, but don't expect it to handle anything beyond light tinkering. Like the Kaiser, it's titleless and would require serious paperwork to drive legally. While it might appeal to someone who loves unibody Fords, it's still more of a rusty display piece than a drivable vehicle. Both are serious projects that need a lot of work, with the Ford being the slightly easier of the two to get moving.